Imagine analytics so easy, anyone can create visualizations and explore information in powerful new ways. Say hello to Qlik Sense, the breakthrough visual analytics platform that scales the power of insight from a single person to an entire enterprise. Creating personalized interactive visualizations with Qlik Sense is simple. Just drag and drop data and metrics from governed libraries or load your own data. Smart visualizations help you quickly find meaning by intelligently summarizing vast amounts of complex data and revealing actionable insights. With Qlik's unique associative model, charts, tables, and graphs in Qlik Sense are automatically wired together for deep exploration. Each click instantly updates your entire view, so you can follow your intuition to make discoveries and explore new questions wherever the data takes you. And Qlik Sense's breakthrough Smart Search lets you search across all your data to reveal relationships and find the right information fast. Share your insights with rich data stories created right within Qlik Sense, moving easily between presentation and live analysis in context. Collaborate and discover apps and analyses through a tightly organized central hub. And you can explore and create visualizations from any device, anywhere. A responsive user interface intelligently adapts to give you the ideal experience on mobile and touch devices. Self-service analytics no longer means compromising security and governance. Qlik Sense was built for governed data discovery, addressing even the most demanding enterprise requirements. IT gets full control with centralized management of content and resources, rules-based security, and governed libraries to ensure data quality. Developers can extend Qlik Sense to build custom apps and visualizations, and embed objects in other apps with open and standard APIs. Complex data from multiple sources can be easily integrated without the need for external tools. And every deployment can rapidly scale across geographies to support large volumes of data and users. With Qlik Sense, you get Qlik's patented associative data indexing engine combined with unmatched self-service discovery capabilities. Ready to empower your organization? Download Qlik Sense to get started.